Hi friends, welcome everyone. Today I am going to explain about the amazing benefits of being a vegetarian or following a vegetarian diet. A vegetarian diet is a complete diet, which is associated with high consumption of fiber, vitamins C and E, folic acid, magnesium, unsaturated fat, and numerous phytochemicals. And this is why vegetarians have low cholesterol, low blood pressure and reduced risk of heart diseases. Vegetarian food is also easy for the body to digest, takes lesser time to cook, is healthy and most importantly saves your money. Vegetables are vital not just for our healthy living but for the environment too. So adopting a vegetarian diet can be the perfect way to stay healthy and happy.